Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Clip 4 with any Android phone or tablet. So first of all, you have to find the power button and turn it on. So click and hold it until indicator turns on. Okay, let's try to repeat. As you can see, something is wrong with mine. So let's try to click and hold it one more time. Okay, right now it turns on. And to enter the Bluetooth pairing mode, just click on the Bluetooth pairing icon. Right now on your Android device, go to the Bluetooth settings, go to the pairing new device and select your JBL Clip 4 from the list. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.